and it's good with smartphones, both Apple and Android. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to unbox it, take a look at what we have with it, talk to you about some of its features, how you use it, that kind of stuff. And then in a separate video, as you might know, Doug and Nikki, we have a YouTube channel, and I'm going to Europe, and I'm going to bring this and use it for my entire European trip, film a lot of stuff on it. I'm going to come back and give you those results, how it was to work with it in real vlogging world, as if real world is vlogging world. But in any case, I will let you know how it was to use, and I'll show you the video. All right, let's get into here, see what it comes with, talk about some of its features and why it might be interesting. All right, well, I take it out. Let me talk to you about some of my most exciting features, which I am looking forward to. It has new AI technology, which I don't know how much AI it is in it, but it is supposed to have a really good, high-quality facial tracking, the ability to do gesture control, so you could be in front of it and give it commands and have it adjust what it's shooting. It comes with a really nice fill light, which I find to be absolutely amazing. Fill lights like that really make a big difference, especially like if I'm going to be walking around on a cruise ship and the hallways aren't always lit so well. It's great that you can hit the button and light up your face just to give you that better quality image and that better kind of look to it. Just so you know, you can adjust it between warm light and cool light depending upon what style you like. Check it out. This is a really nice hard case it comes with, which will make it very easy for me to just throw this in my suitcase and send it to Europe. Take a look at it. Let me just start by explaining, in case you don't know. Oh, wait a sec. This is so light. This is so crazy light. This is so cool. And just so you know, even with it being so light, this will have about an 18-hour battery time, which is absolutely incredible. So what does a 3-axis gimbal do for you? What is the key importance to that? So what this does, and it has special anti-shake technology, which I'll tell you why that's important, is it stabilizes the camera, right? So like as you move, as you walk, let's say I'm turning, I'm walking, instead of all this jittery movement, it's going to automatically just totally stabilize your cell phone, your camera, so that you can see clear as day, which is a big separator. If you're making content, you're making videos, and you want them to look professional, you absolutely want a gimbal on it. And so the other thing, the anti-shake, sometimes it can be a little difficult to get these balanced perfect, right? So that anti-shake definitely improves that. So like if you're off by a little bit, it's not going like this. You'll see it if you get it. Happens to everybody. Just take a little time, follow the instructions, you can program it. It's not a big deal. A cool, super cool feature, which I've used on their other models, and I'm excited to use it on this, is that inception shot, where as you go, the image rotates 360 degrees. Super cool. Don't use it too much. You're going to make your viewers nauseous and annoyed. But at the right time, what a great feature it is. It is so cool. So a couple of the things that you want to see. Here is the light, which is absolutely adorable, and I'm excited to have that there. This is a little tripod, which can either be an extension on the handle, right? So you have a little longer length and a little more leverage on your camera, or you go like this if you want to do a selfie. Boom, you put it down and you're ready to go shoot yourself. Overall, I think this is absolutely ridiculous. Another great thing, it has in a relative sense for these things, giant OLED screen which gives you, it's going to give you the basic operational information like battery time, whether it's recording, that kind of stuff for your cell phone device that you're recording on, which is a really cool tool so you can focus on getting great images and you don't have to be looking at your phone. Overall, this is absolutely packed full of features. I mean, if you want something that's packed full of features, this is ridiculously packed full of features. So I can't give you a review on my experience in this video, but I will say if you want something that's packed full of features, these are all the things that I want. I've used other hohem products before and they've always been outstanding. So I'll say this is definitely good. If you want a Doug score from 1 to 5, you gotta wait till I get back to Europe and you'll see the other video with the full review and the images in there. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.